If you are getting error 0xC0000135, then we know how to fix it. Watch this video till the end and learn how to solve it. Hey, you're watching Silicophilic, the home for all tech users. Application error 0xC0000135 mostly occurs after you upgrade your Windows to the latest version. This stops the applications from launching properly, showing the error message. The application was unable to start correctly. When you face the error on your Windows 11, simply follow the methods shown here to fix it. Before we get into the solutions, subscribe to our channel for future tech support. Also, like this video if it helps you solve this issue. Don't forget to comment your feedback on the solutions or if you are facing any issues while performing them. We also have a Facebook group of troubleshooting experts where you can share your tech issues and get direct help. The link to the group is in the pinned comment. Now, let's jump into the solutions. Method 1. The first thing you can do is enable .NET Framework. Type Turn Windows Features on or off in the Windows search bar and press Enter. This will open Windows Features window. Check the boxes for .NET Framework 3.5 and .NET Framework 4.8 Advanced Services in the Windows Feature window. Click OK and let the process complete. From the next window, choose Let Windows Update, download the files for you. After the process completes, if you see the Restart button, then click on it or click on the Close button. Restart your PC. After the system restarts, open the application and if the same problem persists, go to the next solution. Method 2. The next thing you can do is reinstall the .NET Framework. Type CMD in the Windows search box and right-click on Command Prompt. Select Run as Administrator. Click Yes on the next pop-up. Run the following commands and press Enter. So, first type DISM /online /enable -feature /feature name netfx3 /all. After the command runs successfully, restart your computer. Now try to relaunch the application you were having problem with. If you again get the same error, move on to the next solution. Method 3. In this method, we are going to run Windows App Troubleshooter. Right-click on the Windows Start button and select Settings. Click System and select Troubleshoot from the right panel. Click Other Troubleshooters. Scroll down to find Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter. Click on the Run button. Wait for the troubleshooter to run the scan. Let the troubleshooter detect problems. If any potential issue is found, click on Apply this fix option. Let the troubleshooter fix the problem. Follow the on-screen instructions to finish the process. Restart your PC if asked. Once the PC restarts, try to launch the app. Check if the problem is fixed. If not, go to the next solution. Method 4. The next thing you can do is reset Windows Store. Open an elevated command prompt window and type wsreset.exe in the command prompt window. Press Enter. This command may take some time to execute, so wait till the process completes. Try to open the problematic app and see if it is working now. If not, move on to the next solution. Method 5. The next thing you can do is uninstall the recently installed Windows Update. Open Windows Settings as I have shown before. Click Windows Update. Select Update History from the right panel. Scroll down and click on Uninstall Updates under Related Settings. Select the recently installed update and click on the Uninstall button from the right corner. Click on Uninstall on the next pop-up window. Let the installation procedure complete. Click Restart Now option and this will restart your computer. Method 6. Another thing you can do is reinstall the application. Type Control Panel in Windows search bar and select the top option. Open Programs and Features. From the list of all the installed programs, scroll down to find the problematic app. Select it, right-click on it and click Uninstall. Restart your PC. After the PC restarts, reinstall the app from Microsoft Store or its official website only. So, that's it. If this video has helped you in figuring this issue, then give us a like and subscribe to our channel. If the issue is not resolved from the solutions we have shown here, comment below to let us know and our team will try their best to help you out. Also, join our Facebook group for direct tech support. The link to the group is in the pinned comment. Thanks for watching Silicophilic.